quick message from your positivity princess and Marvelous Matthew.
I'm not marvelous.
We are at Tim Hortons drive-thru. We're not going to touch anything or anybody, but I felt inspired to quickly do this little message of just this little thing that inspired me. Okay, so I was thinking about how things are crazy right now. Some people are coping really well. Some people are not coping as well, or they're learning coping skills that they're going to be using. You're learning. But I noticed something in life is that, number one, the sun is always shining behind the clouds. Behind all of the pain is all of our blessings are still there. Okay, they're covered up, they're hidden.
Hey, I want to say something. That's information. Another information is that if you want to see the moon, the whole moon, and then you only see half of it, you see the whole moon because it's just dark and the moon is behind the darkness.
So you're saying it's always all there. We just see parts of it.
Yeah, because it's
okay,
darkness.
hang on. I've got it order here. Okay, so what I want to say is there's a law called law of contrast. Hold on, I'm just going to order.
Say law of attraction. Law of attraction.
It is part of the law of attraction.
Oh, come on.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, can I please get a large regular coffee?
Yeah.
And a medium French vanilla.
Okay.
And Matthew, what do you want? You want hot chocolate?
Okay.
And a small hot chocolate.
Small hot chocolate?
Yes, please. And do you have chocolate dipped donuts?
Chocolate dipped donut, okay? Sure.
And that's everything.
Okay, job, okay.
Thank you.
I like how
That's how I always order. So super happy. Okay, so the law of contrast says that we need these dark days, we need these sad times, we need the negative in order to truly see the positive when it is there. So we see more light when it's been dark, right? You know when you go out in the darkness and then you turn the light on, or like when you're in the movie theater and then you turn the light on and it's like, whoa, it's so bright. It's always that bright. You just didn't notice until you were in the darkness. So guys, all of this negativity, this is all to provide contrast for how amazing and beautiful and perfect our lives are going to be right after this. Believe me, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Matthew even gave you an example of the moon. Like, how smart is this kid? He's 7 years old. Okay, guys, I love you. Mwah.